I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous about what we're about to do today. It's a little bit crazy. Inside this backpack we have the Traxxas Slash RC car and the controller right in there. I was able to fit it into that backpack. And in this one, it's actually a baseball duffel bag or backpack. I was able to get the drone in there, so we should be able to get some really cool footage. What makes all this really intense and what we're trying to do is we're gonna be carrying the RC car and the drone and camera equipment, and Ginger and I are going by ourselves out to one of the largest sand dunes in North America. It's called Chokecherry Hill, and it is over 500 feet from the bottom to the top, and it is almost straight up. Flag has gotten all tattered from the wind. That's okay, you ready to go?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous actually.
It's kind of cold, right? Here we go, this is a long, dangerous road. Better get going, huh? So you can see how much water is there, and then the sand is wet underneath the surface. Look, there's an airplane flying over. Check that out. That's awesome. Out here, some of them are over 700 feet tall. It's just coming. Yeah. There's Chokecherry right there. It's huge! Oh my gosh! We're almost there. Oh, that gets me excited. It's a long ways to get out here. Holy smokes. Okay, what do we do here? Okay, we're gonna go down and then drop along this ridge. But we made it! I'm so excited that we made it out here. This is unreal. Ooh, what a ride! Here we are. This is it. This is Chokecherry Hill. Oh, 500 feet straight up. Not messing around. We made it to Chokecherry. That is crazy. We're at the base of it right now. They call it chokecherry because those chokecherry bushes that grow along the edge here are what keep the sand all in place. But it's 500 feet almost straight up.
And it is just a wall of sand.
A giant wall of sand, yeah. First things first, we gotta see if the Traxxas Slash RC car can make it up the dune.
Carl, are you ready for this?
I'm so excited to see how high up this thing can make it.
Those paddle tires, I bet, will make a huge difference.
It's gonna make a massive difference, I know that, but we got the GoPro on there and we are recording. Ready?
Yes, let's do it. Oh my word.
It made it!
Oh my goodness, it made it. No way.
Now it's lost signal.
Oh no!
Oh
Carl! It's so far away.
no! Oh no!
Oh no!
I can hear it trying to run up there.
It's like,
but it's just like, I'm done.
oh no!
Is it stuck? Did I just break
You
it?
just,
So who wins?
I don't know.
Traxxas made it to the top, but then it died as soon as it got there. Did they kill each other?
You guys have to tell us what you think, because I mean, I say Traxxas won that, even though it almost died.
How are we even going to get it back?
You're gonna have to go up and get it.
Oh my gosh, it's a nightmare. I can't believe this.
The motor is spinning, but the wheels won't turn. We just broke some sort of axle drive shaft. Carl, look what you did. Yeah, I think he saw it.
He totally saw it. He's like, what is that up there? They both drove past it. Maybe one of them will grab it for us.
That'd be awesome. Just grab it, guys, on your way down.
He saved it! Yeah. Awesome, dude! You're gonna be on our YouTube channel now. Thank you. right, I'm gonna follow Ginger. She's gonna do a run up Choke Cherry, and I'm gonna go behind her a little bit. That was way cool. Nice. That was a good run. I'm so lucky to have an awesome girl like Ginger. Oh, good job! Whoa, look how high up we are, guys. Oh, crazy. Hey girl, you want to race? It's just, let's see who can get up the highest. I'll make sure I don't hit you, I promise. Smoked me that time. You won! Thank you! Good job, I love you.
I love you too, this is so fun.
It is so much fun, oh gosh. Well, you guys, we found Choke Cherry Hill, 500 feet of sand. We got to try out our quads and try to make it happen and get some awesome drone footage and race the RC car.
Almost made it.
And we broke the RC car. We almost made it, but click anywhere on the screen in order to subscribe if you haven't already and to watch more videos. Thanks so much for joining us on Motor Monday, and we will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.